Hey everybody, C.A.López here, from Clever Laptop Lifestyle, bringing you a review of a new method. This new method will be available from March 18, 2018. This new method is called Affiliate Victory. But, for who is Affiliate Victory? If you answer yes to any of the next, you need Affiliate Victory. Anyone who wants to build passive profits online. If you are complete newbie, you're looking for something that's simple that will actually work. You want a method that doesn't depend on you being an expert. Anyone looking to get more traffic. If you're looking for a simple method that you can use to make money, then get Affiliate Victory and start making money right away. This method is based on a case study and show you how they're turning $10 into $50 to $100 per day passive affiliate income machines, and how you can set up as many as you like with just $10 to start, no experience, and as little as 15 minutes per day. Inside Affiliate Victory, you get fresh case study, turn $10 into $50 plus per day on repeat. The easy way of affiliate marketing in 2018. Passive affiliate commissions after initial setup. Complete step-by-step affiliate method. 100% newbie friendly, easy to set up. Works in any niche. How to set up the winning passive campaigns with the least amount of losers. Inside Affiliate Victory, you get everything you need to finally make big money online. The methods of getting traffic have changed. The old ways of doing it are dead. This method does not involve paying way too much for traffic, waiting years for SEO, hoping to rank on Google's first page, shady practices, 100% ethical and legal, unproven theory, tons of real results, risky cryptocurrency investments. Can you spare 15 minutes daily? Affiliate Victory is a simple step-by-step method which can be used over and over for months, even years to come. The Affiliate Victory method will take you minutes per day. Do not believe what I say. Don't just take our word for it. Let us show you. Take a look at some of our results using this brand new method. Look at the money we're making with Affiliate Victory, day after day. Proof updated for March 2018. Our method still works. Our method brings consistent, passive income like this on autopilot. $100 day month after month are possible using our methods. It's time for you to get consistent, passive commissions, and even leads like this. You only need $10 to start. Even collect leads on total autopilot. Icing on the cake and more commissions. Affiliate marketing is changing, and you need to know what's working now, not 5 years ago. You and I both know that there are 2 reasons why you've landed on this page. 1. You're struggling to find the best traffic for your affiliate offers. 2. You're struggling to generate passive affiliate income as a result. If you're one of those people, then today is your lucky day. Here's the sad truth about internet marketing. You need traffic to make any money online. It's the lifeblood of any online business. You already know this. Unfortunately, most courses teach outdated traffic methods and outdated affiliate marketing methods. Not only that, making passive affiliate income from these outdated courses methods is virtually unheard of. Here is how Affiliate Victory works in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Spend $10 on setting up your first affiliate campaign. We show you exactly how. Step 2. Watch your passive affiliate campaign's results, and make simple, quick tweaks to optimize the campaign's profitability. Step 3. Let the passive campaign bring in commissions, and build your list. Then set up as many as you like. Sincerely, there's never been an easier way to build passive scalable affiliate income every single month. Learn how to set up your own passive income affiliate campaigns, also known as passive income machines, with just $10 to start. Learn how to scale and do this as any niche you like. Learn our top traffic source, and exactly how to make it convert your efforts into passive affiliate income. Stop burning a hole in your wallet. All you need is $10 to start. Zero risk. Save time by following our exact step-by-step videos. Follow our case study, and you will get results. It's that simple. Little to no maintenance required after initial setup. Think you'll get by with outdated methods? Think again. This is the latest and modern affiliate marketing method. There's no limit to how much you can make. Create as many websites as you like, and follow our steps. No longer be a prisoner to slow, unreliable SEO traffic, or outdated expensive paid traffic methods. Your days of failing online are officially over. No more seeing $0 month after month in your PayPal account. No more falling victim to another scammy product. No more dodgy methods that don't show each step in detail. No more slaving hours each day hoping to make something work. No more spending huge amounts of money on paid advertising. No more chasing the golden goose that you never catch. Like risking it all in the crypto markets. Let's look at the Affiliate Victory members area. We will analyze the modules of the course. So, this is the main members area. We find a welcome message. Step 1. Register for the traffic training, or watch bonus webinar replay. Step 2. Click the button below to access the course. In the menu we find access to home. Access to the 4 modules of the course. Module 1. Introduction, Proof and Overview. In Module 1 we have 3 more videos explaining the basis of the course. Video 1. What you'll need. Video 2. Niche selection. Video 3. Finding offers. Module 2. The funnel. Video 1. The lead magnets overview. Video 2. The lead capture page. Video 3. The money page. Video 4. The funnel recap. Module 3. Back-end profits. Video 1. Email marketing overview. Video 2. The initial email. Video 3. DFY resources. Video 4. Autoresponder setup. Video 5. Connect the opt-in form. Video 6. Simple tracking. Module 4. Traffic. Traffic. The simple way. Video 1. FB ads overview. Video 2. Tracking. Video 3. Set up FB pixel. Video 4. Create FB page. Video 5. Research target audience. Video 6. Creating your ad. Video 7. Analyzing data. Video 8. Simple scaling. That's it. So real, you can see there's a ton of videos in each of these modules, so it's real good value for money. Well, this is the members area, from which you will learn everything related to this course. Remember, the main course has all the information necessary to earn profits, as soon as you put into action the advice and lessons of the course. One-time offers are important if you want to achieve your goals faster, and with less effort. You have the opportunity to obtain an upgrade of your course. With these you will be able to obtain results more quickly. Within your course, you have all the necessary information to obtain the mentioned results, as long as you put yourself in action. Updates can help you streamline these results. We have 3 upsells, and they are: Upsell 1 is a case studies pack that contains a case studies bundle, showing you over the shoulder some of our best results, following the affiliate victory method. You can copy and paste these ideas to get results faster. Upsell 2 is a DFY pack that contains multiple done-for-you campaigns, DFY niches, DFY offers, DFY squeeze pages, DFY thank you pages, DFY ad copy, DFY images and more. Upsell 3 is reseller rights, allow you to become affiliates at 100% commissions. Make money promoting this high converting funnel. Now, it's time to talk about the bonuses I have for you. Get these money-making bonuses for free when you get Affiliate Victory right now. Just for action takers. When clock hits 0, you can't get these Affiliate Victory Mega Bundle. Keep in mind that there are only 75 available. Bonus 1. InstaBuilder 2.0. InstaBuilder comes with a $77 price tag, so what I've done for you, inside of this bonus, is going to show you a place where one of my friends has the rights to install this on your site, and it's only going to cost you $5. It's the exact same software, but it has an agency license so he can install it on your website, so you can use it. And it's only going to cost you $5 instead of $77, so that's a $71 saving that I've made for you right there. Bonus 2. Facebook Live Authority. Discover how to use Facebook Live to attract more customers, build your brand, and make more sales for your business. How to get set up with your own Facebook Live account. How to create live content for Facebook. Tips to make your live videos as engaging and exciting as possible. Strategies for monetizing and utilizing live streaming. And much, much more. Bonus 3. 20 plus complete giveaways. I'm going to give you access to over 20 magnets, 20 high quality bonuses that you can use as magnets to draw people's attention and ultimately buy stuff. Now, this isn't some crappy PLR, this is high quality bonuses, and there's over 20 of them that you can use in a ton of different niches, and this is really going to help you out. Bonus 4. Amazon Affiliate Blueprint. Here's how you can easily build a successful and highly profitable online business as an Amazon associate. Why you should become an affiliate marketer today. You face little to no risk generating additional revenue, while maximizing your earning potential from visitors to your website. It's a fairly easy way to make cash by having a link to the merchant's website. Remember, the more referrals you make, the more profit you earn. Bonus 5. Snapchat Marketing Excellence. Step-by-step video training series reveals how to become a Snapchat expert and build a huge following. How to leverage the power of Snapchat to build a massive following, almost overnight. Why now is the time to use Snapchat to build your brand online. How to unlock the advanced features within Snapchat and get an unfair advantage with your competition. Wait. I have more for you. I'm going to give you access to all of the bonuses that the vendor has given to me to give to you. Bonus number 1. Total Traffic Takeover. Value $97. This powerful limited time bonuses gives you 100 different ways to get more traffic to your affiliate offers. As people who want to make money with affiliate marketing, we know traffic is always important. Now you'll never fall short of knowing which traffic methods to use. Get it entirely free when you snag Affiliate Victory. Bonus number 2. 30-Day Profit Challenge. Value $197. Get access to this recorded 2-hour coaching call from one of Brandon's coaching programs that shows how to get your first sales and scale to $100 plus per day in just 30 days. Are you up for the challenge? See everything entirely free when you snag Affiliate Victory. Bonus number 3. Exclusive Mastermind Access. Value $197. Join newbies and advanced marketers alike in this exclusive mastermind. See others' success, learn from it, apply it for yourself and profit big. Without this mastermind, you'll miss out on additional secrets that will help you get faster results using the Affiliate Victory system. And, if that was not enough, you're protected with our 14-day money-back guarantee. We don't want anything to stop you from getting Affiliate Victory right now. This method is like nothing you've ever seen before, and it will make you money regardless of your background, your skills, or your online experience. That's why we're going to eliminate all of the risk and give you a full 30 days to make sure Affiliate Victory is for you. Here's how this works. Lock in your instant discount on Affiliate Victory. When you get it right now, follow the step-by-step training, and start making money within 5 days or less, then decide if this is for you. If you don't make money, or you just decide Affiliate Victory isn't right for you, all you have to do is let us know, and we'll get you a refund. The only way you lose is by not getting your hands on Affiliate Victory right now. Get Affiliate Victory with no risk today, and make money as soon as you take action. My recommendation now is, get Affiliate Victory right now, and save over 90%. The price on Affiliate Victory is going up fast. Don't wait and pay more. If you close this page, and come back later, you run the risk of paying more, or missing out on this brand new method completely. We don't want that to happen, so we're going to make this super easy for you. You have 2 options right now. And it's time to figure out what fits your lifestyle best. Keep doing the same thing? Keep up the status quo, invest in the new slick loophole and wonder why it's not working for you. Get a PhD in computer science so you can master the next wave of even more complicated software. Do something that works. Or you could choose to apply Affiliate Victory, and build an easy business that can work for you while you are away on vacation, hiking, skiing, even sleeping or whatever else you enjoy. Let's recap everything you get with Affiliate Victory. The entire Affiliate Victory passive system, value $127, plus these exclusive bonuses for fast action takers. Be one of the first 75 to pick up my bonus bundle. Highly recommend it. Bonus 1. Access to InstaBuilder 2.0, only going to cost you $5. Bonus 2. Facebook Live Authority. Bonus 3. 20 plus complete giveaways. Bonus 4. Amazon Affiliate Blueprint. Bonus 5. Snapchat Marketing Excellence. Bonus Vendor. Bonus number 1. Total Traffic Takeover. Bonus number 2. 30-day Profit Challenge. Bonus number 3. Exclusive Mastermind Access. Plus, you're protected with our 14-day money-back guarantee. You've seen all the proof. And you've seen all the rave reviews from other people as well. Affiliate Victory just plain works. Grab your copy today. Alright. My name's C.A.López, and thank you for watching this short review video. I look forward to seeing you becomes a success online, and as always, I'll talk to you next time. Looking at you.